Hello, friends from the internet. Welcome to another thrilling installment of Let Him Cook, the YouTube series in which I cook various. For this episode, we're having banana. Step one will be unfamiliar with a lot of gamers. You have to leave your bedroom, which we will do just now. The next step is getting your banana. I have one here in my fruit bowl. As you can see, it has seen some damage. This would be considered slightly used on eBay. The chopping board, where you want to open it, and there is much debate in the banana community as to which way is the correct way to open. I like to open it from the top. However, monkeys squeezing it and pulling it apart like so. It feels quite soft. Here is how to do that to this banana. Next step is to remove Satan's gooch from the banana, which we will do using a knife, which you have to be very careful with, because as we know, you will get hurt. Satan's anus has been removed. The next step is you want to peel. You want to peel to eat it as a nice delicate treat. Mmm. I love potassium. I think it might be off. This is the saddest banana I've ever eaten. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Please subscribe for more. I'll see you in episode 3. I'll be making muffins.